This is, oh, hold on. This is a sewing machine. I have bought so many those little gadgets that you sew something, a hem or something. I even have in one of these orders, those clothing staple things. If you gotta just put something, a hem up quickly somewhere in my order. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to test that. But this is apparently works just as good as a big one. It does come with a pedal. Okay. Plug is at the back. And it does already come with a spool. I got a button for low and high. It does have a bunch of buttons so you could do zigzag and all the different stitches. And I believe I bought the shelf, the extender shelf, so that if you had something, you know, that you needed to spread out, that you could put it evenly so that when you're sewing, it'll go smoothly for you on a desk. Some extra black and white thread, and there's ones that are already on the, is it Bobby? It's already on this little spool here to put underneath. There was different versions, and this one appealed to me more because I don't sew, but I do want to do some different DIYs or crafts or things like that. Now this was local, but look, comes with a handle. It's not that heavy.